Hey everybody, this is Josh from Broken Oak Farm. Real quick video this morning, some hand gestures. I broke the grounding plug on this air compressor outlet. I'm gonna try and swap the wire end out real quick. Shouldn't take too much. Just a quick 3-wire thing. So, that's what we're gonna be working on real quick. Anyway, take this apart. It's fairly straightforward. It won't really matter in this case because it doesn't really have a big plug, little plug, but it'll still line up to the ground, and then a ground at the bottom. It just inserts in and screws down. We'll see how well that goes. Hopefully this works, but I don't like having it. Too hard it's gonna be to get the wires out of here. Not too bad. Anyway, just cut it. You can see white, black, green. And if I want to be real picky about this, what I can do, since I know the color's here, I don't know if you can see that. I might tilt this down just a bit more. Anyway, cut the end off. Like I said, you can see the ground stud's missing. We know green goes to ground. We don't know if white or black goes to which of these, but we can just do a quick continuity test. So this one's white, this one's the black. So we'll just keep that in mind and follow along. Make sure you can see what I'm looking at here. So you just need to peel back a little bit of the insulation off of this, just so I have enough to get to the wires. Probably should have switched my razor blade out. It's a little dull from cutting sheetrock yesterday. Oh, I'll get some nippers. Let me get some nippers. I don't want to cut too much. Oh. Back a bit further. That's fine. Anyway, strip those back. About pretty much, I think. Twist them up. Well, when we had this, if you look, white's over there. So I'm gonna be like that. A couple loose strands there. Let's see if I get the ground in there good. See if it'll latch in. Just insert in the hole. Tighten it down. Fits in there pretty good. And then we'll do my bang the black one here. Repeat for the other two, maybe. I don't know what he's gonna do. So that's not screwing the screw down. It's good. Yeah, like I said, it slides in the hole and you just tighten down the screw. and then you grab the piece that fell out. It was made to hold the whole thing together. Hopefully it will. That'll be good enough. Nope. Otherwise, let me cut that back. Yes. A little too tight there. I think that's gonna do it. Yeah, I'm just gonna take that out. It says just to remove, so I'm just gonna take it out. It's not to suffer. Wish I had better strain relief. It catches it down at the bottom a little bit, but not a lot. Well. Probably leave one of them in, maybe. I should just leave one in. I'm gonna leave one in. I like the strain relief idea. See if I can get one in. Yeah, that'll work. Anyway, I put some strain relief so the wire doesn't just pull out. You can see it's biting into the wire, the shielding just a little bit. It doesn't pull out. All right, stick it over here. Plug it in. It didn't catch fire immediately. And voila. Good to go. So, thanks for watching. Real quick video today. I'll talk to you later. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe.